Hello everyone and welcome to another Chart of the Day video. My name is Harry. Today is the 3rd of August around 10:25 p.m. Eastern Times, and today, as every day we're gonna do a video about one of the instruments that we cover on the regular basis. We cover 78 instruments divided in 3 groups or 26 instruments each, and today we're gonna go with Nvidia. And NVIDIA is covered in Group 3, and NVIDIA is going to be shown right here after this video in a few hours. For the next 24 hours, we're going to be sharing the view of NVIDIA with our followers. As I say, NVIDIA is part of Group 3. Members log in, click on Group 3 instrument, charts a day, very simple process. Go to here, go to NVIDIA, click on NVIDIA, and you can see all the views in NVIDIA for the weekly, to the daily, to the 4-hour, to the post-market, to the 1-hour, every single view on NVIDIA, right? So very simple, you're gonna know the path. So before we jump into NVIDIA, let me explain 2 Elliott Wave structure. This is a WXY correction, or some people call it a double correction. It's nothing more than ABC, we call it W with parentheses, 3 weeks putback of any corrected structure. It can be a simple ABC, it can be 7 swing back, or a WXY back, lesser degree, or it can be a flat. Then another ABC lower, right? Now, another structure that I want you guys to understand is what is called a flat structure. What is a flat structure? Is 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So technically 3, 3, and 5. That's called a flat. This structure sometimes can happen within the X in a correction, but the key is the moment that the A here breaks the low of the C, this becomes a bearish sequence. And consequently, even with the flat, it's going to resolve lower. Now, let's take a look at NVIDIA on the 4-hour. What do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this case, NVIDIA is over here in 5 weeks. And then instead of the double, NVIDIA is doing what we call an ABC lower, right? An ABC lower is just a simple ABC like this. For example, you go here, this is an ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 backs, and another 5. When it does a double, after the 3 become a 7. So NVIDIA right here is showing clearly 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. It did 1, 2, 3. Right here, 1, 2, 3. It makes a new low below the lows of wave A, and then a strong reaction. I believe that structure from here up to here in NVIDIA is going to be something similar to this. When now we are finishing the wave 3. If we take a look, identical 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and a strong reaction. Downgrading NVIDIA, what do we have from the lows? We have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and NVIDIA should keep extending. It should keep extending in a series of 4 and 5s. You can put it this way, or you can even put it this way. The same end result, right? But NVIDIA should do at least 2 more highs before the market is ready to turn lower. Ideally, a flat ends around the 1.1236, 1.618 of the relationship between A and B. and that will put Nvidia around 218, 227 before Nvidia turned lower into the 180, 175 future buying area. Again, a very technical structure, there overall, right? A very technical structure that we have, and I believe that the market is trapping buyers and it's gonna resolve lower. So we're calling for Nvidia to do a flat as a B and a C to follow. Let's see if we are correct. Keep an eye in 218, 227 as areas in which the sellers can enter the market, and then keep an eye around 180, 165 when the real buyers will enter the market. That's the video for today. If you like it, visit the homepage here and take our 14 days trial for just 99 cents. Have a good night, everyone.